will be done. Alone be thy name. I'll sing it, so alone be thy name. Give us this day our daily bread. Alone be thy name. And forgive us our trespasses. Alone be thy name. As we forgive those who trespass against us. Alone be thy name. And lead us not into temptation. Alone be